Good morning, this is Lane Clark, reporting directly from the Beta 2 offices in the Broadgate Tower. Now, markets, what can be surmised over the last 48 hours? Well, firstly, it does look like Greece are making a large effort to stay in the Eurozone. That can definitely be surmised. But more importantly, in my opinion, and what I would like to discuss today is the situation in China. And what we can surmise from China is very clear. The government in China, the authorities, definitely do not like their main stock index getting sold off in a heavy manner. They do not like large depreciations in the value of their equities, that's for sure. Now, why do I say that? Well, let me go back a couple of days. You probably remember I released what we termed a Chinese investment alert. Now, in that, we did say that whilst everyone's talking about Greece right now, we wanted to draw your attention to what was going on in China, as we did feel it was flying slightly under the radar at that time. Since then, I'm sure you have seen on other sort of news channels and newspapers, publications, it does seem very much a hot topic now. Now, what we said back then was with what was going on in the sell-off, that it resulted in 750 shares being suspended on their stock index. As of right now, what we've seen by the government is intervention. We've got 1,500 shares suspended right now, which equates to just under 50% of the market. But as well as that, what the government have done to show that they definitely don't like these markets being sold off, they've banned large stakeholders for any of these shares from selling their own stocks for a 6-month period. Therefore, the selling stocks prices start to move up. So that's what the government have done, that's what the authorities have done over the last couple of days, and on the back of that we are seeing a relief rally. In fact, the shares that still do trade over the last couple of days, most of these shares have traded to their daily limit of 10% increase. So just to give you a bit of background before I wrap this up, 12 months up until the end of June, the Shanghai Composite had moved up 180%, appreciated in value. Then, since then, it's fell down 34%, culminating in an 8% drop on Wednesday, which some in China are terming as Black Wednesday. Since then, that's when we've seen the government intervention, and that's when we've seen these stocks rally. Now, is it a relief rally? Is it a false rally based on measures from the authorities? Is the bubble still about to burst? I guess we'll find out in the coming days and weeks. But for now, here's an update on China. The authorities definitely don't like the shares getting sold. Trade with caution. Have a fantastic day and have a great weekend.